G'day. This might look like a classic BMW, but what's under the hood might upset a few purists, especially the BMW fans. But anyway, it's a beautiful car. I made it back in one piece. What a blast of a car to drive. And it's tidy. Seriously, there's not much you need to do to this car. Just drive it and enjoy it. Maintain it, service it. Oh, love it. Right. This thing would be lethal in the wet. Absolutely lethal. Very light, it was breaking traction and woo. Love it. What a beast! What does an SR20DET put out in standard form in a Nissan Silvia? 180 kilowatts? 200? This thing feels like it's got about 240, maybe 250. It's got plenty of go. So it's not a matchbox car. It's actually a 1990 E30 four-door with a Nissan SR20DET blacktop. It's got K-Sport, adjustable front coilovers, Bilstein rear gas shocks, 17-inch wheels, 205/45 rubber all-round, front headlight, air induction. Right there. But he's got the original headlight. It's got a couple of front splitters, but we've taken them off so that we can get it into the garage at home. New centre section exhaust with twin exit, the boot spoiler, twin exhaust. Anyway, he spent a fair bit of money on it just recently at Storm Garage, but look at the interior. Very nice. Aircon's cold. Look at it, the seats are great, perfect condition. Door trims. Back seat. This, beautiful and clean. Original wheel. Oh, it's quick. Oh, it's quick. It's quick. Pretty punchy. Man, this is like a 1990 model and it seriously feels like a fairly modern car. Cold aircon, good steering, brakes are good. Sporty. And you can drive it normally. I like it. Look at the interior, it's good, clean. Oh, so if you're coming to Thailand or you're here and you want to have a fun car, geez, I tell you what, it's a lot of bang for your buck. Wow. I am so tempted. I would just wish I had more money. Owned by an Aussie expat. He spent 80,000 baht just recently on some work at Storm Garage, which I'm shown before. He's also got a Tirana in there getting a full treatment, but it's had a fair bit of work done to it just recently. 80,000 baht spent. Oh wow, I tell you, look at it. That drives good. Woo. Let's have a look under the bonnet. So, what do these put out? SR2 DET Sylvia motor. It feels to me, because it's got a cold air intake and an exhaust, I could be wrong, but it feels like at least 200 kilowatts, maybe a bit more. That's bloody quick. What do you think? Sacrilege? Putting a Nissan motor in a BMW? Or smart? I know you die-hard BMW fans will go for it in the comments, guys. That is one hell of a good fun car to drive.